and now you're telling me that this is May? And they said, watch out, he's gonna pop, he's gonna pop, he's gonna go. And of course he does. He throws himself down and throws up, gets real sick, and usually they go crazy and they're useless. They have to plug him back into the machine. You know, the Matrix, where he was at. And another part in the show, he's walking down the street with him and he said, you see all these people? They're lawyers, businessmen, mothers and daughters, people busy, whoever. They're just regular folk. And they're plugged in and they're part of the Matrix right now, and they're all working and thinking they're doing or coming and going. But, and like you, Neo, when I unplugged you in the beginning, he said, you fought it. You wanted to go back to your complacency where you didn't know anything was wrong. And
yeah, that'd be the worst thing you could do is unplug somebody, man.
Yeah, and you understood
I wouldn't
it.
fucking dream of it.
That's what's wrong with all of these people that are wanting to riot and
give me the fucking blue pill any day, that's all.
They're almost awakening.
It's too late.
And they're fighting it, you know. They're putting both feet down.
We need a purple pill now.
Hillary president, make everything as bad as it was, you know.
Yeah.
We're used to that. We can deal with that. But change, real change, none of us can do that.
Oh my God.
So, maybe that's...
So if we're thinking in Matrix terms then...
Well, it's hard to give anybody an idea of why would people be looting and breaking and...
Because it's a video game. You get points for everything you do, man.
And they're trying to get 1.5 million votes to change the
outcome?
Yes. Because there's just no way he can be president. Like, just a couple of days ago, Obama was saying, there is no way that man can be president. He's not qualified for it. I mean...
Who's not qualified?
Trump's not.
Oh,
Obama
shit.
said he wasn't. Just a couple days ago. And now today he's at the White House saying, yeah, well, welcome to the White House.
It didn't stop Obama, who was the most unqualified ever. I would say Trump would be way more qualified. Just by virtue of his age.
Mr. Gay Crackhead.
And experience, you know.
They took Mr. Gay Crackhead and threw him into the White House.
Of course, if you had to have a heart, then we're talking about... He still... I don't think Barack ever had a heart, but maybe Donald did, or still does.
Just like
I don't know.
everybody else.
I don't know. I mean, you could tell that Jimmy Carter, you could tell he had a heart, right? You could just tell.
Right, yeah.
When he spoke.
He was like a down home Arkansas boy. You know, I mean. Georgia boy. Arkansas. That's Hillary's neck of the swamp. People understand what real is anymore, and they're afraid of what Trump's going to do, really. They're also calling to have him killed.
Yes. Talk about years. Hillary Clinton cried during the epic election.
I didn't see her cry.